police busted brutal murder case and nabbed notorious culprit in CR number 192/2025 U/130R/3 bracket 5 308 bracket 4 61 bracket 2 189 bracket 449 BNS and section 4R/27 bracket 1 of Arms Act. On credible information, on 10/12/2025, the Rain Bazaar police apprehended 5 notorious criminals, namely A2 Ali bin Hamza Al-Jabri, A3 Faisal bin Habib Muhammad, A6 Muhammad Maqsood Ali, A7 Sayyid Asghar Ali, and A8 Muhammad Tahir. Further, the accused Ali bin Hamza Al-Jabri was apprehended near Dabirpura Darwaza Mir Chowk Mir. All the above accused persons were involved in the brutal murder of Sheikh Junaid bin Muhammad Bharmos. During interrogation, it came to light that the accused persons had criminally conspired, unlawfully assembled with deadly weapons, knives to eliminate the deceased due to previous enmity, and in execution of the conspiracy, they stabbed the deceased to death using knives. Accused particulars involved: arrested accused persons Omar bin Hamza Al-Zabri, son of Hamza bin Omar at Zafar Pahalwan, age 35 years, rowdy sheeter of Rain Bazaar PS; Ali bin Hamza Al-Jabri, son of Hamza bin Omar Al-Jabri at Zafar Pahalwan, age 31 years, suspect sheeter of Rain Bazaar PS; Faisal bin Habib Muhammad, son of Habib Muhammad, age 23 years; Muhammad Maqsood Ali, son of Muhammad Ashfaq Ali, age 28 years; Sayyid Asghar Ali, son of Sayyid Tahir Ali, age 20 years; Muhammad Tahir Nair, son of Muhammad Iqbal, age 25 years. Absconding accused persons: Sayyid Rahim Ghori Shazib at Rahim Ghori Shazib, son of Sayyid Yaqub Ghori Shazib, age 30 years, absconding, suspect sheeter of Rain Bazaar PS; Malik bin Javed Al-Jabri, son of Jafar bin Omar, age 32 years, Azhar absconding, Zubair absconding, Riyan absconding, Kulsum absconding. Brief history of the deceased: Sheikh Junaid bin Muhammad Bharmos, aged about 35 years, is son of Muhammad bin Yusuf at Bada Muhammad. Presently, he is working in a rice-selling shop at Chunne Ki Batti, Yakutpura, and residing along with his family at Yakutpura, Hyderabad as tenant. Earlier, some disputes were raised between deceased and accused A1 and A2 regarding real estate dealings. Simultaneously, the accused A4, A5, and A12 also having previous enmity with deceased over family issues. Over the past few months, the accused A1 to A12 developed personal rivalry with deceased, which gradually escalated due to local issues and strained relations, due to which the accused A1 to A12 hatched plan to eliminate the deceased. Watch Facebook and YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, subscribe, share, like and comment on CTV News channel.